Hi girls, good morning. Welcome to another week um, of school, of online school. And for this week, we're going to be starting, like I told you in the announcements, we're going to be starting a new topic. And as you can see from the background, it's going to be a really easy, nice topic, especially this lesson. Why? Because one of the learning outcomes that you need to learn for your year 7 syllabus is reading and writing time, which you've learned in primary. So it's just literally a lovely, easy revision, and also we're just going to make sure that we know how to read and write time. All right, girls. So I have in front of me this clock, and I'm only going to be telling you just one thing that I want to just point out, that whenever we are talking about, now this I'm talking about minutes, okay, girls? Now, whenever we are talking about minutes from tw- between the numbers 12 to 6, we always say it's 5 past, it's 10 past. We always use the word past. It's quarter past, it's 23 past if I want it to be, right? 23 past, because 20 past, 1, 2, 3. All right. But as soon as I pass the half past, I don't say it's 35 past, it's 40 past, it's 45 past. I say it's quarter to, or that it's 20 to. So I say that it's 22. Over here I have an example. If I have, for example, 240, I say it's 22:03. So that means that there are 20 minutes until it will be 3 o'clock. So when we're talking about minutes between the 12 and the 6, we use the word past. It is, for example, if I think of this one, it's 5 past 2. But if I consider the minutes from the 6 to the 12 after the half past, we use the word to. How many minutes to whatever o'clock it is? And you're going to be having two handouts, girls, and I just want to show you this one. So these are digital clocks, sorry. So you've got two digital clocks, and I'm going to do them over here, and we need to write them in words. So if I have to write the first one in words, and I'm going to get my writing material in front of me. So it is, so what time is it at the moment? So at the moment, the time that is showing, it is, or you don't have to write it is, but it's a habit. It is 9 past 11. Because 9 minutes past the 11 o'clock. But if I look over here, and I have 8:40, so 8:40, what does it mean? 8:40 means that we are past the half past the 8:30. So we have to consider, we have to think about our clock, we have to imagine our clock mentally, and we know that until the next o'clock, which will be 9 o'clock, so if I have to draw it, guys, so we have a clock over here, my lovely clock, and we're on so we have the quarter to, the half past, so we are on the 40, all right, because this is 30, this is 35, 40. So we have 20 minutes until we reach the next o'clock, which will be 9 o'clock, because between 8:40 we've got 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. Sorry for the horrible handwriting, guys. So, and I don't know if it won't show. So now it is 20 to 9. and I have to write it in words. All right, and you have to fill in from numbers 1 to 12. So something very, very easy today. Monday, we don't feel like, so we start our day easy. We start our week easy. And the second worksheet that you have is um, the second worksheet that you have is where it is given to you in words and you have to write it in digital format. All right, over here it's written standard form, it's the same thing. So, and I am going to do the first one for you. I will show you. All right, you should manage. If I were you, I would, and 22/7. Okay, and this one. If I were you, I would stop the video and try them out yourselves, like you do using your mini whiteboards, because I like it when you try out and you see if you are on the right track, especially if it is something that you should be, you should know. All right. So 2:30. So over here it is 2:30. So for the time being, you don't know if it's 2:30 in the afternoon or PM, or if it is 2:30 in the morning. It doesn't really matter for the time being. All I want you to make sure is that you know how to write it in digital format. So it is 2:30. And 22/7, so 22/7. So if I go back on the clock that I have in front of me, all right, so 22, we're talking it's 22, so we have, so it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. The minute is, we're talking about the 40th minute. So 22/7, we have 7, no, not 7. So we're talking about 7 minutes. We have 20 minutes until it is 7 o'clock. So at the moment it is 6:40, and that is how it is in digital format. All right, girls. And that is it for today's lesson. So it was a lovely, nice and short lesson, easy, nice way to start the week. And then tomorrow we start the hard work. All right, girls. Mela, it's very hot, guys. Make sure you drink plenty of water, you're getting your extra rest, you're eating your fruits and veg, you're moving a little bit. It's really important. All right. Take care and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.